How to delete a YouTube link from TikTok. If you have added a YouTube link to your TikTok profile and want to remove or delete it, then here is how to do so step by step. First of all, launch the TikTok app on a mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your TikTok account. Once in there, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your TikTok profile section. Now, once in the TikTok profile, tap on the edit profile option available there. As you can see, there is YouTube link option available in my bio. Now tap on the edit profile, then tap on the links option available there. Then tap on the link you have just provided here. Make sure to tap on the .com option available there. Then you'll get to see unlink option available there. Tap on it. And once done, so you can go back to the profile and check. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.